temperature. Watch your temperature.
Super fat. I ain't lying. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy.
Moving fast, doing something.
Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing. Never knew what I.
Hit the lights.
Is that mirror?
You can turn away. Thank you.
Oh my God, I love it when black people come together. About 18 or something now.
Happy
birthday, Quinn.
Thank you.
Birthday to you. Woo!
Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Happy birthday to Jay.
Get it sexy.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. I turn that sexy red on.
Hey, Big O, shake some ass. Wait, hold on.
Oh my God. Yeah.
My phone died.
Your phone died.
It just died.
Weekend.
Yeah.
That bitch smack. Turn the lights back on.
Hey, where Bowie go?
Hey, yeah, come here, people, real quick.
Okay, wait. Let her go up here and sit down or something.
Man, we can do it right here in the pit. We can do it right here in the pit.
I'm not just trying to tell
The
you.
boy happened last week, goddamn.
Somebody gonna start sliding around.
Niggas start throwing bombs in the middle of this shit. Then drop the whole
You should try to see. She really did though. Oh my God. Damn. Good, my boy?
Who got the cake though?
It's gone.
shit.
The birthday girl got the cake.
You missed it.
Nah, you gonna shoot niggas, man.
You missed it.
You're not trustworthy. You're black.
I'm not trustworthy.
You're black.
You're black.
You're black.
You're blacker.
You're blacker than
Wait.
me.
You're blacker than me.
No, you're blacker
Did
than
you
me.
say niggers aren't trustworthy?
Niggers, huh? Huh, brother?
You goddamn coon monkey.
Coon monkey nigger.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Buffalo like Bill Boy.
Get back to work. Hey, man. Hey, man. We go together. Tell that bitch. Shut that bitch up. We go together. Shut that bitch up. BB, shut that bitch up, twin. Right, Hellcat, SRT. I need to hear that. Hellcat, SRT.
Yo, hold it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Too many people in that car.
I'm a shit up.
Yo, temperature, watch your temperature.
His ass super fat. I ain't lying. Fuck you. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I'm about to say he got a thumb in the booty. Whoa. I'm about to say he got a thumb in the booty. Whoa. Hey, Sexy Red got all these niggas twerking out here. All right. Sexy Red got all these motherfuckers twerking. Yeah.
Where you go, never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found.
What's that? You should have went like that. Oh shit! That nigga was getting fucked by Diddy. No. He was getting fucked by Diddy. No? Turn that up. Okay, yeah. Hey, pull both your titties out. Hell yeah. Pop your pussy.
You heard it here, folks.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yo! It's it!
Yo!
Bad bitches love fast cars, we love fast cars too. Yo! SRT, nigga come pull up on me, drive the car fast, do the dash, you may not coochie me. I got the cute when I'm smoking weed, track cars, say he wanna eat it, put that shit in car. I'm from St. Louis, say he like my
What happened? I fell off the dirt bike too. I know how I feel to fall off the dirt bike.
You boys put that motorcycle back.
Tonight at Club H-Town. Where y'all daddies at? It's going down. Where that daddy's at? Where that fucking daddy's at? They don't got no fucking daddy up there. Where the party at?
Take a peek. I got pants in my pants. I'm so lit.
That boy doing the percolator.
Okay, white boy.
Oh God, your transmission just went out. Brando, clutch some. Hey, fucking stank over here.